Introducing the 2025 Ford Maverick. This practical Maverick offers four-door family-friendly convenience, impressive towing and hauling ability, a comfortable cabin with sought-after infotainment features, and strong fuel efficiency so you can be ready to handle whatever comes your way. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: intelligent auto on-off high beams, pre-collision system, lane departure warning, all-wheel drive, keyless entry, satellite radio, keyless start, backup camera, lane keeping assist, aluminum wheels. Practical capability meets everyday comfort and convenience in this well-designed Maverick. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.